How to download and install YouTube Kids application on your Android device. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Play Store and make sure you're all logged into your account. Now simply search in for YouTube Kids just like this, and once you search in for that, just select this YouTube Kids application from over here and just click on install button, and based on your internet speed it will be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. So once you're done with that, just tap on this open button to quickly open the YouTube application, YouTube Kids application. So since this application is for kids, you have to click on this get started and sign in as an parents if you want to control your kids. So let me just quickly sign in with my account from over here and simply click on continue just like this and click on OK. And since I had already created my user profile, so it has directly redirected me to this homepage over here. So you can also do the same for your case. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.